How to set WhatsApp profile pictures without losing any quality. And there are a lot of YouTube videos that tell you go to the setting and clear your cache and turn your media quality setting to high. But today I'm going to looking different option. Guys, first open shot and try to send them pictures. When you do certain appears and select the gallery option, and as you can see a lot of pictures available, and you can see option there called HD and can select high pictures quality. Now that photo set high pictures quality, you can send anybody. After that, go backward and click setting. Now you click profile and the pictures, you can add pictures that was recently saved and you can adjust your liking, save pictures pretty high quality. Now you switch account and see from different account, you still that pictures quality is still good. Thanks guys for watching this video. The HD features help this video helpful. Thanks for watching.